Hey, Don Copeland. I'm back again, guys, and we're here to do another one of our pro tips on the 101. These are our intro ones for the 12H2. And this time we're going to just run down a quick checklist for you to go and apply all the training you went through to the end of day cleanup of your machine. So again, I'm just going to give you a list of things that you should be doing at the end of production. If you don't know how to do them, very quickly reference. I'm trying to use the same words that we use, the same language we use in the training, so it's easy for you to find. If you can't find it, drop the guys a text support a quick question, and they'll point you to the right video to go back to. So we're going to start off with, when you're done, we're going to clean up all the print area surfaces inside of the machine where there might be some overspray or whatnot like that. We're going to do clean the hold downs that go over top of the film. Sometimes you'll get a little bit of ink on them. Clean those off. You can, again, the training will show you what materials to use for that. We're going to clean the cap station cap tops around the edges of those to make sure those are nice and clean before we put it to bed. We're going to clean the wiper blade, get all the ink off of that before it starts to gel up so it's easier to clean off. We're going to clean the top of the printhead carriage. And basically where that goes, where the cap tops are. We will make sure, especially to focus on the area where any excess ink would drain out and go down to the waste bottle. We're going to inspect and clean the bottom of the head carriage just to make sure we're not getting any buildup in front of or behind the print head. We're going to replace any depleted ink bags or film. We're going to go perform a nozzle check if we had to replace the film. Don't worry about doing a nozzle check at this point unless you had to replace the roll of film. If you know you got a heavy day of printing yesterday, you only got 20 feet of film on your machine, go ahead and pull it off, put a new one on. Go ahead and empty the tray that has the recycled powder in it, bring it up top, pour it inside of here. Again, that's covered in the training. And lastly, you're going to power down your shaker dryer on the side with the breaker that is on there, and just as we show you in the training so that we know it's off while you're not there, and we don't want it potentially to be bumped and come on, so make sure that that's turned off. That's it. That's what you're going to do at the end of the day. That's what you should do at the end of every session when you're printing. And if you watch my first video on this series, guess what? I tell you to make sure that the guy before you did his job, so they're going to check and make sure that this list was completed. That's it for today. I'm Don, and I'm done.
For more pro tips, follow and subscribe. For more information on direct-to-film, call ColDesi at 877-793-3278.